everyone, welcome back to Brothers Build Studios. Today we're really excited. It's our first episode of BBS Friends, where you nominate kids who are going through a struggle in life. Maybe they're sick or just going through some difficulties at home, and Brothers Build Studios gifts them a brand new Lego set.
Today we're preparing to meet our 3 new friends, Annaley, Quincy, and Memory.
And our biggest goal is to bring each kid a smile. Oh yeah!
And spread a little kindness one Lego set at a time. And as always,
It's a good day to build!
Hi, my name is Tracy and this is my granddaughter. And we want to nominate Ashley and her family for the first BBS Lego giveaway this year. Ashley received a heart transplant 2 years ago and has been doing great, but recently had a setback. Her heart started rejecting and she has spent several weeks in the hospital recently. And due to that, they have financially have had problems and not able to buy the Christmas that they would like for the girls and Quincy this year. They have 3 children, 15, 4, and 9, and they are great kids. They help out as much as they can, but would like to have a great Christmas, and this would help so much. We appreciate you considering them for the first BBS giveaway, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Alright guys, today we're going to be shopping for our 3 friends, Annaley, Quincy, Memory. Let's go and find some Legos.
Hi Annaley, how are you? I like your cat ears.
say thank you. This is my oldest. This is Memory.
This is Memory. Memory, we've heard a lot about you. I'll let these two take it away.
We are BrothersBuildStudios, and we've heard that your mom's been in the hospital for a few days, and it's been really hard on you, and especially through the holidays, and we came to give you a smile, and we have some gifts.
Should they open them now?
It's a Lego! It's something Lego-y! I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
What is this?
that's cool.
Is this a princess? An example? I'm just gonna wet those windows.
Oh, thank you. That's cool.
I got one.
That's a belt, and that's the beast. That's your Lego set.
I know. I need someone to help me.
Mama does it.
Just know that you guys are awesome. I know it's been tough with your mom in the hospital. Keep having courage.
Thank you.
And just know that you got friends, right? Got new friends in us. You're excited to go build that, aren't you? Okay, well, we'll let you go then. So, it was
Thank you
nice
so much.
meeting
Nice
you.
meeting you guys so
Okay, you guys
much.
say bye?
Bye. How are you gonna get some crap?
Go, guys.
Such an amazing family, and we're super glad we got to meet them. Quincy, we're sorry we didn't get to meet you, but we hope you enjoy your Legos.
Brothers Build Studios is always looking to make new friends.
So if you know of a kid who's going through a challenge in life, you can nominate them by emailing us at brothersbuildstudios@gmail.com.
And as always,
It's a good day to build.